Yeah, you gotta give my boy a ride back now.
Oh yeah, I got him.
That's a whole fact. Look at this drink here. Niggas about to say 1,000. This look like some heat, don't it? Yeah, well, after this drink, we gonna head back to the crib, y'all. Family, we made it to the beach, Boca Chica. We ended up catching, I guess you could say, a deal for the jet skis. Originally, they were trying to charge us 120 USD for 1 hour, but we somehow talked them down to letting us get it 2 hours for $85. So was able to finesse them out to get the jet skis for 2 hours and for 85. What you see, man, it's a beautiful day. The water is nice. We about to hop on these skis. Got a jet skis right here. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, I don't know what we about to do out here in the water for 2 hours straight riding around, man, but we about to get it in. I'm gonna get with y'all once we get to the water, man. See, I can see what it is. Yo, I need to get me some kind of mount or something, cause I'm about to be out here. I'm about to be out here riding around in this. I'm about to be riding around in this, holding my camera, cause I gotta be able to get this footage for y'all. I'm about to be out here whipping it with one arm. What's the move? Oh, he about to ride us out there? Nigga, I'll keep the book bag on. I ain't gonna hold you.
Hey, I tell me to put this on. Yeah, you got it stove.
Scary ass nigga done put that life vest on quick as a motherfucker. We on the jet skis right now. Something obviously is wrong with my jet ski. They saying like it's water in it or something like that. And this nigga Mike just took off on me. I don't know where this nigga at. This nigga just took off, bro. He gone. Yeah, they trying to fix my baby, man. I'm on the boat right now, man. Chilling. While they trying to get my jet ski right, man. Where this nigga Mike at? This nigga's out. This nigga probably all the way over there, wherever. All right, we up. We on here. Who gonna be ready before? I'm about to get this whole 2 hours. You wildin'. This nigga Mitch tripping. Oh, y'all coming back? But I gotta put y'all down for a minute. up, pull up, pull up, pull up. You gotta get my boy a ride back now.
Oh yeah, I got him.
That's a whole fact. Man, that's what I'm trying to, yeah. That's a whole fact. Yo, family, we just finished up the Jetskis. I ain't gonna lie, that was my first time doing it, man. It was a great experience. I would definitely come back and experience that again. Unfortunately, my boy Mike, he had the meta shades on, right? He fell in the water, and guess what? His meta shades went to the bottom of the water, bruh. We was riding around that circle, literally, bro, for like 15 minutes trying to see if we could find him. No luck. Bro, and all his footage of the jet skis, of this beach, footage from yesterday is all on his meta shades, man. And I don't think he can get the footage back. That's what he was trying. So, he tight, man. How you feeling about your metas, man? Yeah, I was tight for him, bro. Pissed off for him, bro. But it is what it is, man. We gonna try to go out tonight, have a good time. Hopefully he can forget about the metas. You can't forget about the metas, though, bro. I'll be pissed too. That's like me dropping my camera in the water, bro, with all my footage from the trip. It is what it is, though, man. But yeah, you see, we out here still. Good vibes going on right now, man. Good vibes going on. We're gonna grab a drink, then we're gonna head back to the Airbnb, kind of get ready for the night. We got about like a 25-30 minute drive back to our Airbnb. So after we get some to drink, we're gonna head out. Oh,
It's pineapple.
look at this drink here. I think I was about to say 1,000. This look like some heat, don't it? Yeah, well, after this drink, we're gonna head back to the crib, y'all. See y'all in a sec. Actually, guys, this is gonna be a separate vlog on its own. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog right here. Be on the lookout for more content coming soon. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how you feel about the video. Let me know if you enjoyed, what was your favorite part about this little vlog. And we're gonna have more content rolling out soon, man. As always, YouTube, I love y'all. Thank you for the support. Y'all be easy.